Alright. We've got a message from Supreme Kai Gohan. What? Gohan? A Supreme Kai! I never would have realized that. And look at him. Looks like someone brought out his potential. Alright, Supreme Designers. Tonight we're going to draw Supreme Kai Gohan. Potential Unleashed. Well, honestly... Well, a lot hasn't changed after Gohan transformed into this state. I mean... There's not really any difference about Potential Unleashed Gohan. I mean, his power... Sure, his power has been enhanced, but there's nothing different about him at all. No flashy transformations. No hair standing on end. Literally, there's nothing changed about Supreme Kai Gohan. Nothing changed after he battled against Super Majin Buu. Nothing changed about him when he was in the Tournament of Power. Not even his hair has changed. After he transforms, he becomes a Super Saiyan related transformation. I'm pretty sure the second form that Gohan became is way better than this one. You know, the kind with the white hair. You guys are happy to see what that really looks like. It's better than this form. No regards to the Supreme Kais, but this form is, well, way different than the... Well, Gohan's final form is way better than this one. But he looks great in that Supreme Kai suit. Alright, so here's the lower half. There we are. There he is. That's how you draw Supreme Kai Gohan. Potential Unleashed. And to be honest, nothing's changed about him. Seriously, some people start calling him Mystic Gohan. And to be honest, I literally see no changes in him. What a waste of a transformation.